Hello everybody. So today I will talk about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, this is equal to number 0. That means we just find about complementary solution. So I will put about yc equal to e to the power of lambda s. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. And we have lambda e to the power of lambda s. Because if we do first the derivative of e to the power of lambda s, we keep the same e to the power of lambda s. Later that, we continue doing first the derivative of lambda s. You got about lambda. Next, we do second derivative. And we have lambda square e to the power of lambda s. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here, and this one gone here. Next, we continue doing factorization by e to the power of lambda s. So we have lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 equals to number 0. And later that, we put this one equals to number 0. And now we just have only one solution. That is about lambda equal to negative number 2 and lambda equal to negative number 2. Because we have same solutions, negative number 2, negative number 2. So the final answer should be like this. We have y equal to c number 1. That is about constant number 1. E to the power of lambda s. Lambda in this situation, we have negative number 2. Because we have the same solutions. So in this situation, we have c number 2. And we have s in here. And e to the power of negative 2s. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.